It's Raina and Hiram again.
You sure?
Yeah, that's how this works.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Hi, Hiram. No, Hiram. Who's that? No, 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 no.
I never tried it.
Oh.
Is it still really thick?
Look at Raina. Hiram, look.
It's okay.
Hiram.
Yeah, mix it up a little. Yeah, there you
Hoi. Hoi. How are you? How are you doing, Mrs. Drool? Yeah. Miss Drool? Oh, you want a hug?
Yeah, I think I stuck a lot of fruit in that one.
Oh, it's good though. I like it.
What do you think? You squeaking too? Oh. Hey. Oh, look, someone's talking to you. She's talking to you. That's right, get him. What's that? What's that, you guys? What's that? Are you scared? Wow, whoops. What's that? What's that, you two? What happened? Raina's just like smiling at me.
It's for Isa.